You're trying to do everything right for your health. You swap your soda for kombucha, you snack on dried fruit and granola bars, and you start your day with a glass of lemon water. You feel great. But then at your next dental checkup, you're shocked to hear you have new cavities or sensitive teeth. What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're pulling back the curtain on a deceptive health trap. We're exposing 5 so-called healthy foods that might be secretly sabotaging your smile. And more importantly, we'll teach you how to enjoy them safely without wrecking your teeth. Healthy food number 1, citrus fruits and lemon water. We all know that citrus fruits like lemons, oranges, and grapefruits are fantastic sources of vitamin C, which is critical for gum health. So what's the problem? They're also incredibly acidic. The acid in these fruits is strong enough to soften and erode your precious tooth enamel. The trendy habit of sipping on lemon water all day is particularly dangerous. You are literally bathing your teeth in a low pH acid bath for hours on end, creating the perfect conditions for erosion and sensitivity. The safe way. Enjoy citrus fruits as part of a meal to buffer the acid. Drink acidic beverages like lemon water quickly. Don't sip them over a long period. When you're finished, rinse your mouth thoroughly with plain water. And this is crucial, wait at least 30 to 60 minutes before you brush your teeth. Healthy food number 2, dried fruits. Raisins, dried apricots, dates. They're often touted as a healthy, fiber-rich snack. And while they do contain nutrients, from your teeth's perspective, they are a nightmare. First, the drying process concentrates their natural sugars, making them incredibly sugar-dense. Second, and this is the main issue, they are extremely sticky. That sticky texture means they cling to your teeth and get lodged in the grooves of your molars for hours, providing a non-stop feast for cavity-causing bacteria. They are essentially nature's super sticky candy. It's a safe way. Treat dried fruit as an occasional treat, not a daily staple. When you do eat it, try to have it with a meal, and if possible, brush and floss soon after. Pairing it with something like nuts can help to mechanically scrub away some of the stickiness. Healthy food number 3, granola, crackers, and healthy bars. This category is full of Trojan horses. We see words like whole grain, oats, or high protein, and assume they are good for us. But many of these products are loaded with hidden sugars like honey, maple syrup, or high fructose corn syrup. More than that, starchy foods like crackers and granola break down into sugars right in your mouth. Their texture is often sticky or crumbly, meaning they get packed into the chewing surfaces of your teeth, providing a long-lasting fuel source for acid-producing bacteria. The safe way. Become a label detective. Scrutinize the added sugar content. After eating starchy snacks, a vigorous rinse with water is essential to clear out the debris. Whenever possible, choose less processed alternatives like plain nuts, seeds, or cheese. Healthy food number 4, kombucha and apple cider vinegar. These fermented drinks are superstars in the gut health world, celebrated for their probiotic content. But for your teeth, they pose a serious threat. They're highly acidic, often having a pH level similar to that of soda. Sipping on these beverages throughout the day subjects your enamel to a prolonged acid attack, which can lead to severe erosion over time. The safe way. Do not sip. Drink them quickly with a meal. A fantastic tip is to use a straw, which helps to bypass your front teeth. And just like with citrus, rinse your mouth with plain water immediately after you finish to neutralize the acid. The biggest mistake? Believing your diet is the only factor. The single biggest mistake isn't necessarily eating these foods. It's believing that your teeth's fate is sealed by diet and brushing alone. The truth is, the resilience of your teeth is the ultimate determining factor. A strong, well-mineralized tooth sitting in a healthy, balanced oral environment can better withstand an occasional acidic challenge. If your teeth are weak from the inside, lacking key minerals, or your saliva is insufficient, even a perfect diet won't be enough to protect you. The real goal is to build teeth that are internally fortified. To build this deep internal resilience, a systemic approach is key. It involves supplying your body with a concentrated, bioavailable source of the minerals and nutrients it needs to build a rock-solid dental defense system from within. For those looking for a professional-grade formula designed to support this inside-out fortification, I have placed a link to an impressive systemic solution on the very first line of a description. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide helps you make smarter choices for both your body and your smile. If you found this video eye-opening, Please hit that like button and subscribe. Which healthy food on this list surprised you the most?